If you're going with a lot of panic attack, if you're dealing and if you're going with a lot of sleepless nights, fear, anxiety, which is not letting you to focus on your current work, then this video is for you. I have a lot of empathy towards you, and because of that, I have created a healing meditation which will help you to resolve your fear, which will help you to calm down your nervous system and move forward in your life. You need to understand that whatever fear you are storing in your body, whatever beliefs you have, whatever worrying you have related to the future, it's just your illusion. It is not your reality. And if you carry the same frequency in your future also, you will be creating your life because of this frequency. So it's very important that if you want to change your future, you have to work on releasing this fear, releasing this anxiety, and changing and upgrading your frequency. Today, I have a very powerful manifestation and a very powerful meditation. It's a quantum healing meditation. It will help you to release the fear. Before starting this meditation, I want you to sit in a comfortable place. Just practice this meditation quietly without any disturbance. Just practice and let me know what kind of a results you will be getting in your life. And just have a faith in yourself and just take a responsibility of changing your life, changing your future. Rather than just blaming universe, blaming your life situation, take in charge of your life and start working on changing your life. Because no one gonna come to protect you. No one gonna come to help you. No society will be coming tomorrow if you don't have food at your place. You have to figure out your own life. Take the responsibility of your life and your life situation. Start healing and start working on it. If you need a sign, then this is a sign for you. Let's get started. Sit in a comfortable place. Let's start the quantum healing to relieve. Let's start a beautiful session to remove the fear and let go of all your fear from your past. Let's release all the fear. Let's practice the quantum healing. I want you to listen this prayer and meditation every night before you go to sleep. This will help you to give an amazing results in your life. I want you to close your eyes. Keep your hands on your heart. You don't have to do anything. You just need to repeat whatever I'm saying. Close your eyes. Relax your heart. Give a beautiful and a gentle smile. Now just repeat with me. Whatever fear I have attracted in my life, consciously and unconsciously, I am taking 100% responsibility for all the fear I have consciously stored in my body, in a form of anxiety, in a form of panic attacks. I am 100% responsible for creating this fear. Now I take 100% responsibility to remove this anxiety, to remove this fear from my body. I am not feeling this fear. I have created this fear. So now I choose to take 100% responsibility for all my fears starting now. To all the fear in my body, wherever it is stored inside my body, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you for trying to protect me, but I am safe now. All the worries in my mind, sorry for feeding you. Please forgive me for believing that I need to worry. I am sorry for hating you. I actually created you. So I love you. My worried thoughts, I know you're just here to take care of me. Thank you so much for taking care of me for so many years. But dear worried thoughts, you can rest now because I am peaceful, I am calm, and I am safe now. To my racing heart and my tight chest, I am sorry for all the anxiety, stress which I have created for you. Please forgive me for not taking care of you. Please forgive me for not loving you. Please forgive me for always overthinking, for always having a negative emotion towards you. My dear nervous system, my dear heart, thank you so much for all the messages that you are trying to give me. Thank you for all the alerts. You can relax now because I am peaceful. I am safe now. All my fear about what will happen in future, I take 100% responsibility for creating this imaginative fear, which is not my reality, which is just my perception. Please forgive me for not trusting my present moment, which is actually not that bad, which is actually even almost perfect. I love you, my dear heart. I love you, my dear body, for keeping me safe, for keeping me alive now. To all my fear which I have inherited from my past, in my body, from my family or from my ancestors, I am sorry for carrying it and holding it for a very long time. Please forgive me. Please forgive me, my body. Please forgive me, my family, my ancestors, for unconsciously and consciously blaming on you for carrying all this fear for a very long time. I love you. I thank you. I release you because I choose to be free, and I wanted to be free now. My inner wisdom know that there is nothing to be fear about, that there is nothing to be scared about. Fear is just my illusion, it is not my reality. Dear past, I respect you, and I am not scared of you. What if I repeat you? If you did happen in the past, you were supposed to happen. And if I did not attract something, it wasn't supposed to be. I am sorry for worrying unnecessary, for something I cannot change. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Sorry, fear. Please forgive me, fear. Thank you, fear. I love you. Take a deep breath and repeat with me. I am sorry, fear. Please forgive me, fear. Thank you, fear. I love you, fear. Practice this quantum healing to resolve all your fear. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this meditation, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.